The other day, I was at Lowe's to pick up a couple bolts for my trailer, the utility trailer, and I happened to take my Miata with me. And when I came out from Lowe's, I got about an inch diameter of a ding. Somebody just banged on my door over here. So again, this is just a new thing that I'm trying to do. It's my hobby, or maybe one of my hobby, and that is to learn how to do the PDR, paintless ding repair. And today we're gonna learn how to do that together. Okay, so here's the dent. I've fixed quite a bit of it already. I forgot to pull out the camera to start documenting, but we'll finish it off. It's now about quarter, well, maybe half the size of a penny now. So we'll finish it off, and again, like I said, we'll learn it together.